Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. This is a very special episode because I found what I consider a very unique Elmo doll. This is a mechanical toy. I don't know if he works. I'm going to try. This one I really want to try and get him to work because there is a little side bonus to this one. I don't even care about the Elmo part of it. It's this guy right here, this pizza. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to hold it very close like this. When you move the arm, the eyes open and close, and they turn into pepperonis. It's really cool. Did I do it right? Okay, so there are the eyes, just like that. And then you do it like that, and then they turn to pepperonis. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to figure out how to get this little creepy guy to operate properly. Now, I paid $2 for him at the America's Thrift Store, and that I thought was a bargain. I actually have another one that I've been saving for a while, but is it? It's supposed to be on. Okay, so, but I don't want to use it because I want to. I don't want to disassemble that one. I'm going to do this one because I want to figure out how to operate that pizza as a separate entity. And I think that would be very cool to have a talking pizza as an actual puppet that I use. I do preschool shows, and I do one called The Magic of Food. And, oh, that's wrong. This is nasty. Never let your batteries get that bad. I don't even have a place to put these things. These are really, really bad. I'm going to reach off stage for a second. It's kind of out of the ordinary. And I'm going to put them in here. And hopefully we can get them out of there and preserve the mechanism. But I don't even want to touch these batteries. They're that bad. They're that bad, okay? Hold on. Okay. Now, oh man. I need to have a nail file out here so I can scrape these things down, because sometimes when you have bad batteries and they corrode the battery will actually corrode the mechanism. And then like new batteries won't work. Okay, so I got the old ones out. I'll dispose of those later. I'm going to use my standard slotted screwdriver, and I'm going to try and scrape some of that off there. I really want this to work. Sometimes they even have little scrapey things on the blade, but I don't think this one does. So let's do that and that. I think that might be it. Okay? So don't dare blow it either, because it'll hit it all over your face. I'm going to use this piece there to get the chunks off, and then I'm going to use a brush to get the rest of it here. There we go. Okay. By the way, a good foxtail brush is invaluable. These things are great. My dad told me that years ago. When I moved into my first house, this is one of the first things I did was buy one of these, and I paid $6. That was expensive because it was out in Yucca Valley, California. So a little bit of fun for you there. Okay, so now we have some AA batteries to install. And let's cross our fingers on this because I really want this one to work. It's gotta work. I want to see what that little pizza does. That should be fun. Okay. And I'll even do this. I'll even put these little trap doors back on. Got them on backwards. Because I really want this to work. I really do. Okay. Let's see here. Hold on. There's one. And here's two. Again, always keep an eye on your batteries. Those batteries, when they wear out, they get really nasty. And all the corrosive materials from the battery come out. And it's not good. It's not good. But never like blow the stuff out of the way, because it's going to always go right into your eyes. And you do not want battery acid in your eyes. Okay. Now.
Let's sing the pizza song
it works.
Together.
Okay.
The pie is made with dough.
Oh, nice. Look at that. He talks. Awesome.
We'll add some sausage and some cheeses, and then we bake.
Just like a cake.
Nice.
Yummy, that's a pizza pie.
Yummy,
Oh.
yummy.
Pizza pie is very nice. It's good to eat them by the slice. Yummy, yummy, yum. Making pizza so much fun.
Oh my goodness.
Who ordered the talking pizza?
Yeah. Okay, here he is. I'm going to do it again. Ready?